A membership discount is not automatically a saving.
It combines two prices that move differently: an upfront fee paid whether the service is used or not, and a lower price each time a visit happens.
The useful question is not simply which visit price looks smaller. It is how many visits are needed before the lower visit price recovers the fee.
Imagine Tarek comparing two fictional ways to attend a pottery studio during a 6-month season.
The drop-in option costs AED 40 for each workshop and has no membership fee. The member option starts with an AED 300 fee, then charges AED 20 for each workshop.
These invented prices exist only for this classroom example, but they let us see the structure clearly.
Start with the price board. One drop-in workshop is AED 40. One member workshop is AED 20, but membership also requires AED 300 upfront. Looking only at AED 20 beside AED 40 would hide the largest early difference. Before Tarek attends anything, the member path already begins at AED 300 while the drop-in path begins at 0. The member total therefore has two parts. The fixed part is AED 300. The changing part is AED 20 multiplied by the number of visits. After one visit, the member total is AED 320. After 10 visits, it is AED 500. The fee does not disappear, it is gradually offset by the AED 20 saved on each visit compared with the AED 40 drop-in price. That per visit saving is the next piece of arithmetic. Subtract the AED 20 member visit price from the AED 40 drop-in price. The difference is AED 20 per visit. Every completed visit closes AED 20 of the initial AED 300 gap. This does not mean AED 20 enters a savings account. It means the member path becomes AED 20 less expensive relative to drop-in for that specific visit. Now divide the upfront fee by the relative saving per visit. AED 300 divided by AED 20 equals 15 visits. 15 is the break-even count in this fictional price structure. At 15 visits, drop-in costs 15 times AED 40, which is AED 600. Membership costs AED 300 plus 15 times AED 20, which is also AED 600. The two paths match there. A punch card makes the threshold visible. Visits 1 through 14 reduce the initial disadvantage, but do not fully recover it. Visit 15 completes the recovery. Visit 16 is the first visit after break-even, when the member total becomes lower than the drop-in total. Break-even is a boundary, not a promise that either option is suitable or affordable. The cost lines tell the same story from another angle. The drop-in line starts at 0 and rises AED 40 with every visit. The membership line starts at AED 300 and rises more slowly, at AED 20 per visit. Because the membership line starts higher but rises more slowly, the lines cross at 15 visits. Before the crossing, drop-in costs less. After the crossing, membership costs less under these exact assumptions. Attendance changes the result. At 10 visits, drop-in totals AED 400 while membership totals AED 500, so membership costs AED 100 more. At 18 visits, drop-in totals AED 720 while membership totals AED 660, so membership costs AED 60 less. The same price list produces opposite comparisons because the number of visits changes. This is where an expectation can be mistaken for evidence. Tarek may hope to attend 18 workshops, but work travel, illness, schedule clashes, or lost interest could reduce attendance. A break-even calculation explains what must happen, it does not prove that it will happen. Counting past attendance or realistic calendar capacity is different from being attracted to the cheaper member price. Terms can also change the arithmetic. A membership may expire, exclude popular sessions, restrict booking times, renew automatically, or apply cancellation charges. Drop-in prices may vary too. If unused visits cannot carry forward, the relevant count is completed eligible visits before expiry, not the number Tarek intended to book. The visible checklist therefore keeps the fee, visit price, expected attendance, expiry, and cancellation rules separate. The broader lesson applies to gyms, delivery clubs, co-working passes, museum cards, and other fee plus discount offers. Their objects differ, but the break-even structure is the same: identify the upfront fee, calculate the relative saving per use, and find the use count where the totals match. Then keep the arithmetic separate from uncertainty about future behavior.
The plain takeaway is that a lower member price can be real without making the membership cheaper for everyone.
In this example, AED 300 divided by AED 20 gives a 15-visit break-even point.
Fewer completed visits leave drop-in cheaper, more completed visits make membership cheaper under the stated fictional terms. This is educational only, not financial advice, and no personalized purchase recommendation is being made.